Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. We will use a secret code. Let's open the keypad and the code is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them, let's tap on it, then scroll down to the very bottom and find about device. And now we have to scroll down and tap on the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.